Hey everybody, this is Tyra Banks, and let me tell you, the modeling world is fierce. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you every step of the way as we dive into the exciting world of modeling agencies with my girl Sarat. Today, we're serving you the ultimate recipe for success, honey. We're talking about building a modeling agency from the ground up. Get ready to learn the secrets, the strategies, the moves that'll have your agency strutting straight to the top. So buckle up, because we're about to break down every single step, from finding your niche to booking those high-profile gigs. Get ready to make your mark on the industry, because class is officially in session. All right, aspiring moguls, listen up. Before you even think about booking models, you gotta figure out what makes your agency unique. What's your flavor? What's your brand? Are you all about that high-fashion drama, serving fierce looks on the runway? Or are you more into the commercial scene, finding the perfect faces for those big-time ad campaigns? Maybe you're all about that body positivity, representing models of all shapes and sizes. Or perhaps you're specializing in a specific market, like fitness, kids, or even our fabulous senior citizens. Remember, finding your niche is about owning your lane and attracting the right talent and clients. It's about standing out in a sea of agencies all vying for the spotlight. Think about it. What are you passionate about? What kind of models do you envision representing? What gaps do you see in the industry that your agency can fill? These are the questions that will help you define your niche and create a brand that truly pops. Trust me, when you're passionate about your niche, it shows, and that's what draws people in. So, dig deep, find your fierce, and let's build an agency that slays the competition. Okay, so you've got your niche, you've got your vision, now it's time to make it legal, baby. We're talking business licenses, permits, the whole shebang. Don't roll your eyes. This stuff might seem boring, but trust me, it's crucial for protecting yourself and your agency in the long run. First things first, you gotta register your business. Choose a business structure that works for you, whether it's a sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, or corporation. Next up, permits and licenses. These vary depending on your location, so do your research and make sure you're operating within the law. Now, let's talk contracts. You need airtight agreements for both your models and your clients. These contracts should clearly outline things like payment terms, cancellation policies, and usage rights. Think of your contracts as your secret weapon, protecting your business and ensuring everyone is on the same page. Don't be afraid to get a lawyer involved to make sure everything is legit and binding. Remember, a strong legal foundation is essential for any successful business, and the modeling world is no exception. Get this part right, and you'll be well on your way to building an empire. All right, future modeling agency moguls, it's time to talk talent. Building a strong roster of models is key to your agency's success, and let me tell you, it's not just about finding pretty faces. We're looking for that it factor, that special something that makes a model stand out from the crowd. So, how do you find these diamonds in the rough? First up, casting calls. This is your chance to see a wide range of potential models in person. Advertise your casting call widely, both online and offline, to attract a diverse pool of talent. Next, partner with photographers to create stunning portfolios for your models. A strong portfolio is a model's ticket to success, so make sure yours are top-notch. Don't underestimate the power of social media. Scout for talent on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and even LinkedIn. You never know where you'll find your next star. Attend industry events, fashion shows, and even local community gatherings. Keep your eyes peeled for potential models everywhere you go. Remember, building a talent pool takes time, effort, and a keen eye for potential. But trust me, when you discover a rising star, it's all worth it. Networking your way to the top, establishing industry connections. Listen up, aspiring agency owners. In the modeling world, it's not just about who you know, it's about who knows you. Building a strong network of industry connections is crucial for booking gigs and taking your agency to the next level. So, how do you break into those exclusive circles? First and foremost, attend industry events. Fashion shows, launch parties, networking mixers. These are your opportunities to mingle with designers, photographers, stylists, and other key players. Don't be afraid to put yourself out there. Strike up conversations, exchange business cards, and follow up with people you connect with. Social media is your best friend when it comes to networking. Connect with industry professionals on LinkedIn, Instagram, and Twitter. Engage with their content, share your own, and build relationships online. Collaborate with other creatives on photo shoots, runway shows, and other projects. These collaborations not only help you build your portfolio, but also expose you to new contacts and opportunities. Remember, building a strong network takes time and effort, but it's an investment that will pay off in the long run. So get out there, work those connections, and watch your agency soar. Building your digital empire. Creating a killer online presence. All right, digital divas, it's time to talk online presence. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is non-negotiable, especially for a modeling agency. Your website is your digital storefront, so make it fierce. Showcase your agency's brand, your talent, and your contact information in a visually appealing and easy-to-navigate way. Social media is your runway, honey. Use platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok to share stunning photos and videos of your models, behind-the-scenes content, and updates on your agency's latest projects. Engage with your followers. Respond to comments, run contests, and use social media as a way to connect with your audience and build a loyal following. Consider creating a blog or vlog to share your industry insights, tips for aspiring models, and behind-the-scenes glimpses into the world of modeling. Remember, your online presence is an extension of your brand, so make it count. Invest in high-quality photography and videography and keep your content fresh, engaging, and on-brand. Polishing those diamonds, offering training and development. Listen up, because this is major. Simply scouting gorgeous faces isn't enough. You've got to invest in your model's development, turning them into true professionals who command attention. First things first, posing. It's an art form, and your models need to master it. Provide them with coaching from experienced models or photographers who can teach them how to work their angles and exude confidence. Runway training is a must, even for those not pursuing high fashion. A confident walk and strong stage presence are essential for any type of modeling. Portfolio building is crucial. Connect your models with top-notch photographers and stylists to create a portfolio that showcases their versatility and potential. Help your models develop their personal brand. What makes them unique? What's their story? In a saturated market, having a strong personal brand can make all the difference. Consider offering workshops on topics like makeup, skincare, nutrition, and public speaking. The more well-rounded your models are, the more marketable they become. Remember, investing in your model's development is an investment in your agency's success. By nurturing their talent and helping them reach their full potential, you're building a roster of stars that will have clients clamoring to work with you. Securing the bag, developing pricing models and revenue streams. Okay, let's talk business, baby. You've built an amazing agency, you've got a roster of stunning talent. Now it's time to make sure you're getting paid what you're worth. The standard industry practice is to charge a commission on your model's earnings, typically between 10% and 20%. Be transparent with your models about your commission structure from the get-go. Consider offering additional services for an extra fee, such as portfolio development packages, runway coaching, or workshops on various aspects of modeling. Package deals are a great way to incentivize clients to book multiple models or services. For example, you could offer a discounted rate for booking a group of models for a fashion show or photo shoot. Don't be afraid to negotiate your rates, but always know your worth and don't undervalue your services. Remember, you're not just providing models, you're offering a valuable service that connects clients with the perfect talent. Keep track of your finances. Use accounting software or hire a bookkeeper to manage your income, expenses, and taxes. Remember, running a successful modeling agency is about finding the perfect balance between creative vision and business acumen. By developing a solid pricing strategy and diversifying your revenue streams, you'll ensure your agency is both profitable and sustainable in the long run. Work it! You've got this! Congratulations! You've reached the end of our crash course on starting a successful modeling agency. Remember, the modeling world is tough, but with hard work, dedication, and a whole lot of fierceness, you can make your mark on the industry. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow aspiring moguls. And be sure to let us know in the comments if you have any questions, or if there's anything you'd like us to dive deeper into. Now go out there, work those connections, discover those stars, and build the modeling agency of your dreams. We believe in you.